Fourth question. Bindu's house and the market are in opposite directions from the school. The distance between Bindu house and the school is 4 km 660 meters, and the distance between the school and the market is 2 km 800 meters. Bindu goes from her house to school and then to market. How much distance has she traveled? So, fourth question answer is Bindu's house. This is Bindu's house, and the market. This is the market. Are in opposite directions from the school. Opposite. Two are the opposite directions to school. The distance between Bindu house and the school. What is the distance? 4 kilometers 660 meters. And the distance between school and the market 2 kilometers 800 meters. Bindu goes from her house to the school, then to the market. Bindu wanted to market. First she went to school. After school she goes to market. So how much distance has she traveled? So to get answer, we add these two numbers, 4 kilometers 660 meters, 2 kilometers 800 meters. So the distance between Bindu's house and the market. Bindu's house and the school is 4 kilometers 660 meters. 4 kilometers 660 meters. So the distance between school and the market is 2 kilometers 800 meters. So we add these two numbers. 7 kilometers 460 meters. So 7 kilometers 460 meters distance has she traveled. 4 kilometer 7 kilometer 460 distance she traveled. Okay, this is the answer. Fifth question. If you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Ramija's house and then their school. Sana's house is 2 km 345 meters from school, and Ramija's house is 1 km 650 meters from school. What is the distance between Sana and Ramija's house? Fifth question. Sana's house is 2 km 345 meters from school. Sana's house is 2 km 345 meters from school. From school to Sana house distance is 2 km 345 meters. So Ramija's house to school distance is 1 km 650 meters. The distance these two 1 km 650, Sana's house to school 2 km 345. what is the distance between Sana and Ramija's house? To get these answer, we subtract these two numbers. So, first, Sana's house to the school distance. What is the distance? 2 kilometers, 345 meters. Next, Ramija's house to the school distance. What is the distance? 1 kilometer, 650 meters. We subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 5, not possible. Borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Next, 2 minus 6 also not possible. Borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1. 2 minus 12. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6. 6. 1 minus 1. 0. So, the distance between Sana's house, Ramija's house is 695 meters. So, 695 meters distance between Sana and Ramija house. Ramija's house. A tailor uses 3 meters 10 centimeter of cloth to stitch one coat. How much cloth does he require to stitch 4 such coats? A tailor uses 3 meter 10 centimeters of cloth to stitch one coat. How much coats required to stitch 4? So, number of coats is 4. So, to get answer, we should multiply with 4. 4 0 0, 4 1 4, 4, 12 meter 40 centimeters. 12 meters 40 centimeters of cloth he required to stitch. Okay, this is the answer. Ashish is traveling from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. He saw this board on the highway road while starting. Hyderabad to Vijayawada distance is 284 kilometers. Hyderabad to Kovdada 162 kilometers. Suryapet 120 kilometers. So, first question answer is how much distance he has to travel from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to Vijayawada 284 kilometers. So, A question answer is 284 kilometers. How much distance he has to travel from Hyderabad to Vijayawada? Answer is 284. Which distance is more, Suryapeta to Kovdada or Kodada to Vijayawada. Suryapeta to Kodad. Kodada to Vijayawada. So the distance between Suryapeta to Kodada equal 162 minus 120 equal 42 kilometers. The distance between Kodada to Vijayawada. Vijayawada distance is 284 minus Kodada 162. 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 122. So, distance Suryapeta to Kodada 42 kilometers. Kodada to Vijayawada 122 kilometers. So, which is the more distance? So, Kodada to Vijayawada is more than Suryapeta to Kodada. So, answer is Kodada to Vijayawada distance is more than Suryapet to Kodad. This is the B question answer. Next, what is the distance between Suryapet and Vijayawada? To get answer, we should subtract Vijayawada 284 minus Suryapet 120. 284 minus 120. C question answer is 284 minus 120. 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 1, 164. 164 kilometers is the distance between Suryapet and Vijayawada. This is the C question answer.